Imagine waking up to a world where every continent is gone. No mountains, no cities, just endless ocean as far as the eye can see. The ice sheets we ignored for so long suddenly decide to throw the ultimate pool party, flooding coastlines with about 70 meters of water. That's the Statue of Liberty with a snorkel. Tropical beaches go from tan to permanent scuba mode, and the global thermostat rockets upward like Earth was dropped in a microwave. The air turns into a humid sauna. With all that water evaporating, every breeze brings spitting storms and cloudbursts. Forget personal space. Raindrops are dropping like it's their job. All that extra water in the sky also means more clouds, which could even reflect sunlight and create weird cool patches. Think sunburn and suntan at the same time. It's like Mother Nature flipped all the climate switches at once. Temperature spikes, humidity soars, and storms brew 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Meanwhile, a giant question mark hangs over the ocean. How acidic did it just become? All that carbon dioxide from our turbocharged atmosphere is dissolving into the sea, turning it a bit sour. Ocean acidification. Imagine swallowing a salty lemonade. Coral reefs and shellfish feel this sour punch, and they aren't fans of the menu change. Day 7. All land is history. 7 days in, and every continent is gone. Humanity is now an aquatic species, living on boats in floating cities. The term landlord is unfortunately obsolete. Cities are sunken skeletons of their former selves. Manhattan's an exotic coral reef. The Eiffel Tower is a very fancy boy, and deserts are just extra swamp scenery. Fish and seaweed basically won the lottery. Farms and pets did not. Even national borders gave up. No one cares about real estate when everything's underwater. Without continents, Earth's crust is getting a real workout. Underwater volcanoes pop off like overenthusiastic soda cans, hissing steam and lava as they mix. Think of the planet as permanently stuck on erupt. Our new natural heater is always on high. Even tsunamis become so routine they might as well be labeled casual surf break. Anything not on a boat is in trouble. Land animals mostly became fish food. The survivors are the ones who could swim or hold their breath a long time. Sharks, jellyfish, maybe that one very determined penguin. It's a mass extinction, served surfside. Most species end up on someone's menu. Your goldfish just became a dolphin's goldmine. And the ocean itself isn't happy either. All that carbon dioxide absorption makes it fizz with acid. Ocean acidification. Remember, it's basically one giant cup of tangy cola. Coral reefs and shelled creatures get a stomachache from the extra lemon. In other words, sea life is partying hard in the new chemistry, and not in a good way. Day 30. Floating on a dream or nightmare. 1 month later, life on Earth is different. Humans have built raft cities and floating farms. Instead of roads, we have canals. Instead of parks, we have coral gardens. It's like Venice on steroids. And yes, you still can't find parking. Everyone's in Olympic shape now, because swimming is the new commute, and traffic jams are literal whirlpools, with no land to absorb heat. Some strange things happen. Parts of the ocean become like a giant jacuzzi. Water retains warmth, so nights never really cool off. Weather is even wilder. One day feels like a sauna, the next like sleeping inside a freezer, thanks to algae blooms that block the sun. Storms are constant, and tsunamis happen so often they're about as special as your morning coffee. The ecosystem is reinventing itself, and fish explore spaces humans never could. Evolution is on fast forward. Imagine dolphins running shipping companies, or octopuses doing diplomacy. Gulls probably wish they'd learned scuba. In this wet, wild world, anything can happen. Humans adapt too, some faster than others. We invent fish diets and pretend we like submarine hot tubs. No one gets a tan anymore, but everyone has an oceanic glow. Or maybe that's just salt on the skin. We traded mountain retreats for underwater sea castles. Not a paradise, but hey, floating apartments have perks. Fresh sea breeze, minus the sand, and 0 parking tickets for your lifeboat. Time will tell if humans become truly aquatic. For now, we just hold our breath and keep swimming.